Hi guys, welcome back to another video from BioBuddy, and I hope you guys are liking my videos and finding them enough and knowledgeable, right? So guys, in this video, not in this video, I'll be explaining this in parts because this method is a long method and I need you guys to be very clear with the method of mechanism of inspiration. How is the inspiration taking place? Inspiration first of all means how taking in of oxygen. How is our body able to take in oxygen? So in this video guys, you'll be studying the total mechanism of inspiration. How is inspiration taking place and how is the oxygen reaching all our cells, right? So in this video we will also be studying about how the movement of ribcage is taking place. First of all, for inspiration we need to take in oxygen. To take in oxygen, what has to take place? It enters our body to diffusion. This is the first point. Our body requires diffusion process. For the diffusion process, what happens? The alveoli is present. This also we are having. Now the third thing is the oxygen has to enter inside our lungs. So what it had to do? It has to move from the high pressure to low pressure. But what happens? The pressure, when we are not breathing, the pressure inside our lungs and the pressure outside our body is equivalent. It is same, exactly same. So what we need to do? We need to reduce our pressure in order for oxygen to come from outside to inside. Right now I'm saying that oxygen present है बाहर. सारा ऑक्सीजन अगर बाहर प्रेजेंट है तो उसको अंदर लाने के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट्स पूरी करनी पड़ेंगी. रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है उसकी? वन एंड मेजर रिक्वायरमेंट इट इज़ हैविंग इज़ दैट उसको कहाँ से कहाँ आना होता है? फ्रॉम हाई कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड एरिया और फ्रॉम हाई प्रेशर एरिया टू अ लो प्रेशर एरिया. तो हमें क्या लेके आना है? उसको अंदर लेके आना है. तो हमें अपना प्रेशर कैसे करना पड़ेगा? कम. तो हम कम प्रेशर कैसे करेंगे? बाय इंक्रीजिंग आवर वॉल्यूम. Volume increases, pressure decreases, right? So उसने क्या बोला है? It moves from high to low pressure. In order to decrease our pressure, what we have to do? हम क्या करते हैं? To decrease our pressure, we have to increase our volume. वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज कैसे करेंगे? वॉल्यूम हैज़ टू बी इंक्रीज्ड by breathing. For example, you breathe. Please, all of you, I hope you try this at home. Please try. You took a long breath in. Exhale out. तो इसको आप ऐसे कर रहे हो तो can you feel the movement of your rib cage upwards? Rib cage ऊपर जाता है. So what is happening? For increasing the volume of our lungs or the thoracic cavity, increasing the volume of the thoracic cavity, what we do? We breathe in hard. Breathe in. When we breathe in, what is happening? The movement of the rib cage. First, we can feel what is moving. The rib cage is moving. Where? Upward and outward. It moves up and outwards. And we know that diaphragm is a muscle which is present below the rib cage. Diaphragm will also move downwards. That is the diaphragm which was like this. This is a rough hand diagram, guys. So what will happen to the diaphragm here? The diaphragm which was earlier like this, a dome shape, will now be like this. It will move to a flat surface. It will form a flat surface. Now this flat surface which is being formed here, see, this is the flat surface which is being formed here. Now this flat surface, and this will move up. So imagine the volume of the thoracic cavity will increase. If the volume will increase, the pressure will decrease. Volume increases, therefore pressure decreases. So what we have done now, we have created a low pressure inside. Now what will happen? The low pressure is automatically created by increasing the volume. Now what will happen? The oxygen from the outside will move inside the lungs, and this is how the mechanism of inspiration is taking place. That is how the oxygen has the ability to move inside your body. Oxygen will move only inside, in which case, in the case when you know that the pressure inside is less. So you need to decrease the pressure, as originally the pressure is same, that is 758 mm Hg. So अगर उसका प्रेशर उतना होगा तो उसको डिक्रीज करने के लिए क्या करोगे? प्रेशर को इंक्रीज, वॉल्यूम को इंक्रीज करोगे ताकि प्रेशर डिक्रीज हो जाए. तो वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज कैसे होती है? व्हेन वी ब्रीथ इन, द रिब केज मूव्स आउटवर्ड्स एंड अपवर्ड्स. It is moving outwards, it is moving upwards and outwards. And what will happen to the diaphragm? It moves downwards. So the thoracic cavity ka volume will increase. If the volume will increase, pressure will decrease, and automatically what we will get? We will get a point in which the pressure will decrease and the oxygen will automatically enter your body. So I hope you guys will like this video of inspiration. Stay tuned to the next video, in which we will be studying the mechanism of expiration properly. So this was a very simple video, guys. I hope you liked the video, enjoyed it very much, and let's wait for the next video. Till then, take care.